All right, we have homemade soaps from Yachdiel 11. Homemade bars of soaps. This is Sandalwood. This is Ylang Lavendar. Coffee Mocha with real coffee beans. Spearmint Rosemary. What I did was, these are pretty decent sized blocks of soaps, bars of soap. So I just cut off a sliver, 2 slivers of each, and I label them, because I'll be giving these samples out to some of my most trusty friends out here that they just love to support anything that we have going. So I'll let them try that and give me some feedback before this hits the market. I have some slivers as well, so I'm going to this is just part of the from when I cut it, but I'm going to take a quick shower and use some of these options here and give you the results. All right, so I will be using the beard oil. In fact, as you can see, it's still damp from the shower. We gotta remember 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 drops. So I didn't mix any of the soaps. I just went with the Spearmint Rosemary because I just couldn't put it down. I love it. So I'll have to do separate videos, which makes more sense, do separate videos with the different scents. So my skin feels smooth and rejuvenated. And I'm just gonna brush my beard. Okay, so last time I dried my beard too much, so let's see. Not as nappy as last time. I'm still going to do the edge. Sorry about that. I'm still going to do the edge of the brush. And do the top of the bristles afterward. So I'll go down and I'll go under. Here's one with a bend down, the one with a bend down under. All right. Okay. So, what we got here? See what we got here. All right, so for me, I think that each product that Yachdiel 11 has complements one another. So I gotta go use some of the lip balm chapstick. I'll try the herbal mint this time, but so I use the Spearmint Rosemary bar soap, and then I got the beard oil. I think it looks better than last time. Feels good, smells good. I'll use that chapstick and then we'll wrap it up here. All right. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others, be kind to nature. The universe will support you. You got the herbal mint, lip balm chapstick. Peace, love, smiles, truth, galaxy. I'm Zachary. I see you. Have a lovely day.